Well, does this look familiar? Yes, it was just the other day that I fixed this, and then the day later I noticed that there was still a puddle of water here, and I'm not quite sure what's going on. I had checked this before. I had installed this coupler here, and this 1/4-inch tubing was going up, and remember I tapped off of that and ran it up there, but I thought I'd go the extra mile and figure this out once and for all, so I dug it up again. And I think, just by this, do you see how this is wiggling a little bit? I think there's enough water that's coming out of there. Initially, I thought it was just dripping out. It must be coming out a little bit more than that, because this is all saturated. I've shut the sprinklers off yesterday, but yet it's still saturated like this, and I think it's coming from there. So I'm going to run back, turn the sprinklers back on. What can I do to fix that? You know, if I pull that coupling out and put in a new coupling, then the chances are the same thing's going to happen. And if I put a plug in there, same thing's going to happen, I think. Well, if I put a plug in there, it's going to leak around the plug, because the plug is no bigger than the coupling. With the little 1/4-inch coupling that's connected onto there. So see, because it's this far away from here, guess what I can do? If it is leaking from there, I pull that out, cut it from here, from there over this way, put the coupling in there so I have enough room to slip the coupling on from here over to there and back to there. And then I could take this and I could poke in a new hole over here, let's say, or over here. This one is up underneath the bush. I could poke it straight from the top and do it that way. And I could probably use that same coupling, or if I've got a question about it, I can replace the coupling, whatever. You see what I mean? So I'm gonna turn the water back on, and we're gonna see. I don't think it's leaking from in here running this way, but I don't know until I check it out. Okay, everything's fixable when you're talking about drip irrigation. Oh, look what I just saw. Look at him. Look at that. It's a praying mantis. He's sitting right there. Do you see him? Oh, he's beautiful. Look at him. Oh, hi, little guy. All right. Time to get busy. Here's a tip for you. Before you cover everything back up, because I'm going to cover everything back up with the bark, and I want to make it look like I was never here. But before you do that, turn your sprinklers back on and find your bubbler circuit, run your circuit, make sure you don't have anything else close by this pipe that's leaking, that's snapped off, that's done wrong or whatever. Check your work first before you cover it up and call it good. All right, that's it for now.